Hello lovelies, friends, family. I was just in the process of looking up a fabulous product to tell y'all about. So good timing. But in the meantime, welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell. And let's get rolling. Let's get started. I'm going to show y'all Mermaid Scale Cosmetics. They sell lashes, glitter, makeup brushes, all sorts of pigments and stacks, just like this. They have 6 stacks. They have singles. They have, what did I say? They've got a lot. They have lipsticks. They do they're either started to do monthly boxes. Wow, they have apparel, other accessories. I've had my eye on this company for a while, and recently they've gotten even better. So yeah, I'm noticing the difference in their website. Got this in the Lashy box in October. I just felt it needed more attention, so that's what we're doing. We're giving it some attention. Yay! Yay! And that was weird. And oh, they have highlighters. Oh, I got distracted by all this glittery goodness. So after trying these, I must say I'm very impressed. I love them. I like them. They're not my usual colors, but like I mentioned before, I am getting into them and I am liking them. And this is what I came up with this one. I mixed 2 colors. I mixed the blue and the pink to make the purple, and then I just used the pink on there. So we're gonna get the ball rolling. I'm gonna show you how to use them. You can use them wet, something. Yeah, put down like a concealer over the shape of that you want it, and then do it. Or you can put down something creamy to stick to it. You could use eyelash glue. You could use I don't know. You could use something. You can use moist stuff. This is what I'm going to use. So we're going to get started. I'm just using the, what is it? Age Rewind, Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline. It's a good concealer. Even though I don't use concealer anymore, it works well. More than likely will have to use something to put it down, to make it stick. They're very fine powders. Okay, so this is what we're doing. Just make it a little outline, and we're just going to do it just like this side. See all the fallout? Unless you wet it, then it won't have the fallout. Okay, so now I'm taking my pointed brush, angled brush I should say, and just kind of blend the edges together. I really love the way they blend together actually. Careful at the point. Okay, just make sure they're well blended. Well, I like it. Okay, so now to finish up the look, putting on the finishing touches. A little bit of sparkle right here. Because you never have enough sparkle, really. So, if I haven't said already, this company is Mermaid Scale Cosmetics. And they have all kinds of, like Halloween collection, Christmas collection, Princess Ariel's Corner. They're doing very well. They were in the Lashy box in October, and I just hadn't had a chance to try them with y'all because I felt they needed special attention. So they're definitely a company to check out and keep your eye on if this is the kind of makeup that you enjoy. And for the final touches, what is that? Ooh, my shirt looks pretty cool too. My teeth. Sorry, I got into that a little bit. Yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. And these are the UV ones, as you could tell, but they have plenty that are not. If that's not your thing, or you don't like putting that type of stuff on your eyes or whatever. So definitely recommend to check out if this is what you're into. I love the product, and I can't wait to get my hands on some of their other stuff. I definitely need some of those dimensional pigments, and maybe do something like galactic, or let's see. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. Hope you liked my review. Thanks guys, bye.